Hello, Missouri Southern. This is your Access Services librarian, and today I'm going to walk you through placing an interlibrary loan article request. First, you're going to need to start on the library homepage. The URL is mssu.edu/academics/library. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down, and on the side is the menu for students. We're going to click Requesting Items, Interlibrary Loan in Mobius. So you might be asking, what is interlibrary loan? Interlibrary loan is a service that allows the library to borrow articles, books, or other materials that we do not currently have access to. The way this works is we go out to other libraries in the United States and we ask for them to send us the items. If it's an article, generally they send it through a PDF. If it's a book, they'll send it through the mail, and so on and so forth. If you have more questions on how it works, you can click Interlibrary Loan Policies. And this will give you specifics for contact, delivery and pickup, due dates, lots of good information to have. For now, I'm going to choose Request Articles. And it starts with just a little bit of statement that tells you what interlibrary loan is and the rules. So I can hit Start Request. And here's the form I need to fill out. So I need to find an article to request. So I'm going to go back to the library homepage, and I'm going to scroll down to Full Search. And I'm going to search for dogs and hats. Now these articles I should already have access to because they say full text online. If it says full text online, that means the article should be available for you right now. If for some reason it's not working, please report it to a librarian so that we can get it fixed. I'm going to use my filters to make sure I'm getting the right kinds of articles. And here we go. So this is an article that says citation online. That means we only have the citation. We do not have access to the full text. Now when you find one of these in a search, you'll have the Interlibrary Loan Request button, which will just open this form for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to copy. So I'm going to highlight, and then Control-C, and then Control-V. So the journal title is the same as the publication title. Next I need the article title, the author, if you don't see an author, you can also do source. So I'm going to use this as a source. Next we need page numbers. Start page is 66. So I'm going to say 66, publication year, 2015. And then if you want to, you can add the link from here. So that way, if we need more information, we can go here. That might be helpful if there isn't an author because then we can verify, but you don't have to. So the next step is to add your name and your email address, and it is preferred that you use your MSSU email. That way we can verify you are currently enrolled, as alumni do not get free interlibrary loan services. If you have a deadline date, a date you need the article by, you can select one. But please be aware that average articles take at least 2 to 4 business days. So if you're wanting it by tomorrow, that's probably not going to happen. And especially with what's currently going on, it might take us a little while since many libraries are closed. Finally, you need to say whether or not you're willing to pay for the resource, if it's unable to be provided for free. Most student requests will not cost anything, but this is basically a precaution on our part to make sure you understand that if you select yes, there could be a charge, but usually it's only for faculty research, which is more specific. So you'll choose yes or no and hit submit. Once you do that, it'll say that your article has been requested. That goes to myself and our operations specialist, and we will go out and find your article. Once it's been sent to us, we will send it to you through your email address. So please make sure and check your email within a couple days. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask your librarians. You can reach us here on the homepage through this email. You can text us questions, or Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you can chat with us on LibChat. Thank you and have a good day.